The Blizzard and I. Take one. When I meet the blizzard, I will know my worth. When I meet the blizzard, the biggest one on earth, it shut down every Broadway show. It even stopped the trains. Now I'm stuck in my hotel room. I feel like I'm in chains. For once in my life, I'm left with no show. I waited in line like a pro, but the box office said, you've got to go. When I meet the blizzard, I will sing my song from a Broadway classic. With a classic you can't go wrong. Oh, it could be from Fiddler, Allegiance, or a play. But I won't stand and sit in my room. Broadway's on today. For once in my life, I'm not going to listen to what the mayor says. Oh, when I meet the Blizz, when I meet the Blizz, the Blizzard.